G'day, Tim Short from Muddy River here, just out demoing the 3FX Terrano. Yep, and we're on a dairy farm which run about 300 head of cattle and heifers, a lot of hay. Hasn't been irrigated for a long time. We're running this Terrano about 8 inches. As you can see, it's doing a beautiful level job. Nice seedbed prep. I think about a bit more moisture, we'd have a fine for a perfect ground for seeding. The Terrano itself has 60 centimetre spacings. This one is 11 tines. It has 550 breakout force with a cave roll on the back and levelling disc. So as you can see, very versatile machine. This machine at the moment we're running at about 10 k's an hour, and about 300 horsepower in front of it. So if you require any more information, contact the team at Muddy River and we'll get your details and we can organise a demonstration. Cheers.